Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 4G Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Begin with opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Security section under Accessibility. Then click on Screen Lock over here and click on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Following that, you need to enter the chosen one and choose Next at the bottom right corner. If you made a mistake, you can clear it by choosing Clear at the bottom left one. Then enter login method correctly and choose Next. Now you need to repeat it and click on Confirm. After that, click on one of those options to pick how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last one. When you're ready, choose Done at the bottom right corner and click on Home button. As you can see now, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!